So, in Victag, I got the mod menu. I got the wood mod menu. It's not called the bark, it's called the wood. And I had to buy bricks for it, and it put me down 5, but I'm going to be getting out of the map today with it, bye. So, now you spawn a laptop to like do stuff like you do on the computer. So I have speed boost and gravity enabled. Speed boost and low gravity. Tallest tree equals out of the map. And then I don't think that you actually disconnect when you are. Oh, okay, I wish that there was a fly on here. Right, why can this went off? Come on, no, yay. Okay, yippee. Finally go. And I just got this yesterday. No! Okay, at least I didn't fall all the way down. Why do I keep on falling? My videos can't be that long. I want it to be short. Probably isn't going to be short though. Wait. So I just go to jump the tallest tree and boom, there's the tutorial. I can barely see my hands. It looks like my tracking's all a bit off as well. Now, I've never fell out of the map, but my friend has way too many times. And there's no slippery walls. So when I first started, I was just like, is there slippery walls? There's no slippery walls! Well, those might be slippery walls, but this might not be. No, I am not falling back down. That's right, I am not. Can I wall bounce this with low rev and speed boost? Yeah, I can. Come on. We're missing. What are yours? Why do I have my camera? I didn't even get my camera. Yeah, there's my camera. Oh no, it's just hard to get third person. Yeah, this is wait, no, not look at follow player. So then follow player. This would be good to make like a video. Like a good cinematic video. Where do I have I have day 1 badge. So does my friend, but he didn't even buy it. Okay, bye-bye.